Have you ever wanted the perfect manicure without the hassle of salon appointments or the long dry time of traditional polish? Let me introduce you to something that could be your new best friend for flawless nails. The Kiss imPRESS Color Press-On Manicure in Ballroom. Short and square, solid white. It's designed for anyone looking to get a professional quality manicure in mere minutes without the mess or wait. Now, I'm sure you've seen your fair share of press-on nails, but what sets these apart is Kiss's Pure Fit technology. This unique technology ensures that the nails fit snugly, comfortably, and securely, which I'll get into more in a minute. But first, let's talk about the basics. This set includes 30 nails in a chic, solid white shade with a short square shape, ideal for anyone who wants a clean, polished look that's both timeless and versatile. You also get a prep pad, mini file, and a manicure stick, all the tools you need to get a perfect fit and finish. The best part? No dry time. Yes, you read that right, no waiting around for your nails to dry. Just press them on and go about your day. So how do they perform? When I tried them on, the first thing I noticed was how easy the application was. I've tried press-ons before, and some can feel a little bulky or uncomfortable, but not these. The Pure Fit technology really makes a difference. These nails feel lightweight and flexible, so they don't have that fake nail feel. It's almost like they were custom-made for your hands. Plus, they stayed securely in place throughout my day-to-day activities, including typing on my keyboard and even washing my hands. One of the things that stood out to me is how long-lasting they are. I wore them for several days without a single chip or smudge, which is pretty impressive for press-ons. I didn't have to worry about them lifting at the edges or looking worn down. And let's face it, one of the biggest pet peeves with press-on nails is when they get ruined after a day or two, but these stood the test of time. In terms of comfort, I'll be honest, I didn't expect them to feel so natural. Usually press-ons can feel a bit bulky or awkward, but these are surprisingly comfortable. The fit is snug without being tight, and the square shape gives them a sleek, modern vibe. They don't dig into my cuticles or feel like they're going to pop off at the slightest movement. But let's talk about some cons. While the product is great overall, I did notice that the mini file provided didn't have the best grip. It worked fine for minor touch-ups, but I prefer something with a bit more texture for precision filing. Also, while the solid white color is stunning, it's a bit high maintenance if you're rough on your nails. I'm not sure how long it would hold up on someone who's more active with their hands, as the white can show any scuffing or wear pretty easily. However, this isn't a huge deal if you're careful. Now, when it comes to value for money, these nails are priced competitively for what they offer. When you factor in the Pure Fit technology, the longevity, and the fact that you get a full set with all the necessary tools, I think this is a solid investment for anyone who needs a quick and flawless manicure. Sure, it's not the cheapest press-on option out there, but considering how comfortable, durable, and easy they are to apply, I think the price is justified. It's not just a set of fake nails. It's a time saver that looks polished and professional. As for alternatives, there are plenty of press-on nails on the market, but none that I've tried have felt quite as comfortable or secure as these. You could certainly find cheaper options, but they might not offer the same level of durability or ease of use. If you're looking for something similar but more affordable, there are some budget-friendly brands that offer decent press-ons. But if you want something that lasts and feels like it's worth the price, Kiss is a solid choice. In terms of packaging, Kiss nails always come in high-quality, durable packaging, so there's no need to worry about damaged nails when you get them. The box is compact, and the contents are securely held, making it easy to store or travel with them. To sum it all up, the Kiss imPRESS Color Press-On Manicure is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and reliable way to get a stunning manicure. It's not just about the look, it's about comfort, longevity, and ease of use. The nails fit well, stay on securely, and look great for days without any fuss. If you need a fast and flawless manicure, these are definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in today. And remember, if you've used these press-on nails or have your own thoughts on them, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.